So it's Thursday and we've been doing this slightly new old stock, because about 5 years ago, these Midland 203 Plus, and the Plus means that it's a multi-set, and of course we can therefore use it in the UK. I was once inadvertently sent the non-Plus version. That means something else, doesn't it? The version that wasn't the Plus version, and it didn't do anything except Europe, so that went back. Smartish, because it had said UK in the advert. So we got 4 watts out of it, we did do it, and the receive is fine. And if I just look at the notebook, I'll tell you once again, if you didn't watch the service video, 12 decibel sine nav was 0.55 of a microvolt. The squelch is slightly insensitive, but we should be okay. So I'll make sure that's set. Oops, I'm turning the wrong one. So it's very straightforward. It's a basic set. You can plug an extension speaker in, but as ever, we're using it on its own speaker, so it's just propped up that little bit. So channel up and down on the radio.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 loud and clear.
Roger that, just coming up to the end of the line.
10-4. So we have the FM AM switch becomes UK or EC, but it says EN for England. So poor old Scotland and Wales and Northern Ireland and anywhere else, it's not fair, because it's not just England, it's the United Kingdom. So that's not ideal. But as far as the radio goes, it seems to work fine. And I like basic sets, to be honest, because when you're in a car, you don't want to have all the bells and whistles like a Rotel 240 has. And you certainly don't want menus and sub-menus.
Right, just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger.
Bit of a squelch tail having it sensitive, which is another little minus point.
Oh, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, just going over the top of the hills, go down into Wilsford over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill going into Wilsford. How many miles have you got left on the car?
54.
Okay, so it did make a difference, didn't it, putting it on charge for that 45 minutes or whatever it was over?
Yeah, about 10 miles back in. Bit muffled that. Are you far away from the microphone?
No, but this is what we're here to do. We're testing these radios, and if you think it's muffled, then it's an electret condenser mic on this radio, but it's a traditional looking microphone over.
Oh, Roger. Yeah, a little bit quiet and a bit muffled for my sake, but I mean, it'll pan out on the base station test. Right, just going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
That's loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. This radio is developing a full 4 watts over.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Okay, Roger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, just passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn, loud and clear.
Tango 21 from Chippie, going over level crossing. Over.
Yeah, that's loud and clear. There's been an excellent result on this. So yeah, I'll do it to base station, and I know you're going on to see one of our radio ham friends, so I'll catch you later on. Okay, 1010, thanks. Yeah, only, as I say, it's a traditional mic, but it's an electret condenser. So we'll do that to our base station. To be honest, you know, apart from the squelch was a bit of a long tail, but I've got it set quite sensitive. He says it's a bit muffled. We'll see what it's like to our base station. But to be honest, I think that works better than the current range. You know, the M10 and the M20, all those ones with the bells and whistles. But you know, I think. I mean, I'm a business radio engineer, and you know, you don't have all these meters and bells and whistles on business radios. The customers just want to, whether it's a taxi firm or whether it's the police, or those kind of plumbing businesses who just need to get back to base. They need a radio which is on, off, and volume. The squelch is always preset on, or nearly always preset on business radios. So I'm used to very basic sets. So we'll go over to the base station and let's see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 203 plus into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.